Okay.
So what you can't see on this gun too is the hose connections. So
Okay.
available on the ACE,
Show it for the camera right there.
we've got toolless hose connections. So I've got an O-ring seat, and I think we've actually got a set of hoses here.
There you go, sir.
Try the other one. Yep.
Here you go.
Perfect.
There's
Thank
that
you.
one.
So what you can see here is on the bottom of this gun, we've actually got an O-ring seat, and it's machined out. So quite literally, to attach these hoses, no tools are required. It's finger tight and you're done. And we did the same thing on the airline. So very similar fitting, O-ring style seat, no tools required. We're sitting here talking. My painter's back up and spraying.
Yeah.
And tightening that by your hand is
That's all it takes.
adequate enough. You're good to go.
Yep. These are both also swivel fittings. So again, right, we touched on ergonomics. So, as you're pivoting back and forth and rotating, that gives you that flexibility and that range of motion.
So that's a very compact gun. I would imagine that by knowing that the cartridge comes out so easy, you've got your fingers can loosen up the hoses.
Mm-hmm.
I would imagine your cleaning time is pretty pretty fast.
Mm-hmm. Yep. So it's a lot faster. So actually on this style of gun, and again, we started with the Stellair Auto with this cartridge style design. This cartridge, how it was designed, is a very laminar flow. So there's not very many, I'll call them dead spots, right?
Okay.
Angles,
Yeah.
places where paint can collect. So on average, to flush this gun compared to the other ones, you're likely going to be about half your solvent usage. So if
Okay.
you're doing color changes, end of the day cleaning, things like that, you're going to see your solvent usage cut in half
Okay.
just to flush this gun.